Yes.
Share your screen and let's start. Let me take some notes here. The first, have you seen Kamlash video?
I started, but got more questions because I don't know if it's part of Unit 2 or something, but already has like a sum of volumes, and I have not seen anything related to that in the Unit 1, so I decided to don't finalize or don't finish see the video.
Okay.
But related to your comments, for example, I see project structure, direct work, indirect work, WBS, gardening, missing the gardening. I already put the gardening.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I included this quantity, 30 times 15. Yeah, square meters. Then it says responsible, operational risk, block volume, and units fields created. Also created mode 001, construction site, and mode 005. Yeah, but the names were not the proper names, so I already correct them as per the evaluation section in the PDF. I already make the corrections. Yeah. Then says pending stuff. Manager field was not completed. But what is missing here? Or why it says is not completed?
Okay, let's first start with your WBS. Please go to the basic one, floor by floor. Yes, structure by floor level. Do you have the main structure? So I think your WBS is complete. And notes. Can you see notes? Notes is fields to support your description. Every block F, block A1, it's a short name. It should have somewhere in your file the complete description. What does block F means? From where it came from? From the contract, for our letters, from our email. What is the description of each work package? Remember, work package is the smallest part. All the blue lines are work package, but gardening is still a work package, although it is purple. Gardening is not broken into any small pieces. So gardening is the 18th work package. We had 17, now we have 18 work package. Do you understand that? Now move to your risk structure. The idea of having a risk structure is to show and to attend the stakeholders' interests, the risk operational team interests. And we are seeing low risks, medium risks, and high risk, okay? But planning, supervising, closing, gardening should be classified. As it is a work package, gardening should, okay, it is not there in a risk category, but I think in a philosophical way, gardening is the smallest part as well as other one. So please invent, decide who is responsible for gardening and the level of risk in your opinion. As you made any change, you have to go to project WBS and re-update. Go to update by fields for risk structure. For risk structure. And okay, just press OK in order to recalculate it, reclassify. Okay, look for again. Is garden included? Yes. But George, remember, you are trying to help people in the security departments, in labor risk departments. Planning, supervising, and closing are not included in it. Do you agree?
Yeah.
So please make a filter on responsible. Sorry, on risk. Make a filter on risk column.
Here?
No, in risk, and look for the column fields. Okay, right click on the top. Look for filter by value. Let's look together. Not equal then empty. You just want to see things that are real. And filter by activity or by phases? Which one? By phases, because we're not working with activities anyway. Apply.
Okay.
You apply the filter. When you apply a filter in your layouts, the layout does not memorize this filter. Okay? Just press close.
And then I need to go and do again WBS.
Please go to filter. Filter.
Here?
In the menu.
Operational.
Menu. Filter. The last line. Filter.
Future.
No, menu filter. Project Gantt action filter. Action on the top. Gantt fair action filter. On the top.
I don't see it. Oh,
Filter.
action.
Action filter. The last line. Oh, you do not have the last line. You are using the old version. Okay, no way. Go to filter and press on apply. Okay? Create a new filter. Create a new filter. This new filter calls mode 001. The name of it. The name on the top. No. At the bottom of your form. Name mode model 001. Okay, and please let's make the filter together. Click on field. Say that op risk is a user field, user defined field. Op risk equals or not equals. Op risk is different from. Where is different from? Yes. The click and click. No. Yes. Click. An empty string. Click and click.
What do you mean with click and click?
How do you say it? It's a clip on the top of letters. I will send this character to you by shots. Just a minute. Look at your shots. How do you call this?
In your
The shot in Google
Telegram.
Google Meeting.
Oh, in Google. The chat. Oh, gotcha.
How do you call it?
Oh, in English I don't know, but in Spanish is comillas.
How do you say?
Comillas.
Comillas. In Brazil we say aspas. I think in English it is clips. I'm not sure. Okay, this is a filter. The name of the filter is the same name of the layout, okay? Just press OK. The filter is done.
But this is like, we are going to filter all that is different to empty?
Yes, you just want to see things that have
value.
risk.
Okay.
Not activities, on phases. On phases.
On phases.
Okay. Apply. Close. Now you can save your layouts as current. Gantt layout, save as current. Okay, now your layout model 001 keeps in mind the name of the columns, the size of the columns, the level of your structure opened, and also your filter. When you call your model, not this way, but
yeah, model 1.
Yes, but model 001 is referring to the main structure, not risk structure. So go to structure, change it into yes, into main structure, save the current again. Layout, save the current, yes. Okay. When you go to your model 001, yes, click on it. Click to the other one. Now back to the model 001. Okay, if you apply a filter, now you will see just what you filtered. But in this structure, main structure, you want to see all the phases and all the work package. So please clean the feature. the filter. No, on yes, maybe. Filter, clean it. Go to the toolbar. There is a filter with X. Yes, no, the other one. Yes. Please save the current model 001. Okay. Change your structure into, yes. Your team planning, supervising, and closing. Please give me a solution for this. I want to see only the package with risks. How would you?
But for example, in the last minutes, we made two actions: filtering here and then doing another filter.
Yes, you may
Is
apply.
necessary to do both, or
Just
why?
press,
Why?
just press the filter there, or just make a new model 001 with a different description. EAWBS per construction site.
And why?
No,
For
no.
example,
Yes,
okay.
maybe this one. Maybe this one. Yes. But you have to apply the filter now. Go to filter. Apply. Apply this one. Apply. Close. Okay. And save this layout again. Model 005. How do you say 5 in Spanish?
Cinco.
It's okay, 005. Now changing to model 001. Every phase is there, okay? Because this layout is important to people like you and the clients. Indirect work, direct work. Go to the risk layout. Model 005. We are just looking to what is important to security or risk team from the project. Now we discussed about filters, layouts, columns, and the structure. The name of structure by operational risk is too strange. Could you change this name into something more sympathetic? Instead of structure by operational, could you give a good name to this? To it? Use your imagination or creativity. But be quick. Otherwise, I will suggest WBS by risk. No, WBS. To be very clear for everyone, WBS by risk and not just risk and responsible. Okay? Go to the other instruction and please give a good name, a beautiful name for it. Okay. Your next question is?
Okay. The other question is related to the start and finish date, which is not right.
But
right
we
now.
have not start and finish dates yet.
Sorry, the start date.
Okay,
Which
go to
should
project.
be April 1st.
Yes, go to properties, and the start date is, I don't remember.
Is April 1st.
Okay, the
Which I already
target.
put it.
Okay, the target finish, I don't know yet.
Yeah.
We
The
don't
thing
know.
is that here, for example, I put April 1st. Okay, but here is still showing me January.
Please
I don't know why.
calculate it. Every time you make a change, you have to calculate it. Go to calculation, menu calculation, and just CPM scheduling. Go.
Okay.
Go. Just go. You won't see any date because there is anything to do.
Okay. There's no
lines
activities.
Yes, there are no activities, so there is no time to do. You know what to do. Now you know what to do. Other question.
I think that's it.
Just that?
Yeah, well, the other, it was manager field was not completed.
Oh, the manager. Okay, look for the manager table. View, group, work, users. Remember, these codes are codes that you can find in our handbook. I think, I'm not sure, your codes are not following our rules. No
Let me
problem,
check.
it will work, but you see what will happen on Unity 2 when I show something different to you.
Let me check.
Part 2, I think it's part 2. Ah, yes, there is.
Okay.
User.
Okay.
Do
Okay.
not change it now. Do not change it now. Go
Okay.
to, do you understand there are different users? Do you?
Yes.
But
Yes.
the users have different permissions.
Mm-hmm.
Did you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go back to your activity guns and go to guns, menu guns, and make upload to web. You have any connection to upload to anywhere yet. Do you agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, I send you all a file by Telegram. Have you rescued it and so saved it in your desktop?
Did you
There is a
send it
file.
already?
Yes. A bit. Okay, more. Here. This is the
This one?
one. Okay. No. This is for Hello
This is
meeting.
a,
No.
a homework, I think.
I will send it to you now. Again. I have to find. I will send it by.
This one?
Yes. No. It's a PDF. It's a dot dot
Oh, okay.
dat. Ini. I think it's ini.
That DAT?
No, ini. Dot ini. Ini. INE. INE. Ini. Yes, this one. Download this. It's somewhere you can remember to find it. Back to your, yes. Not to run, just to download. Right button on the file and please save as. Save as somewhere. Downloads, okay, maybe. Okay, desktop. Anywhere you can remember to find it. Go to your guns. And now say guns, down uploads. No, uploads. Okay, and as you have no connection, load from file. You are not adding because you don't know how to add, but you can load it ready to use. Where is it? Yes, okay, double click, okay. Everything came ready for you. Login, password, the location. The subfolder is the name of your project. Change it in the very beautiful name that is. No, not the name of the connection. The subfolder is the name of your project in the internet. George Orozco. Instead of using space, please use the underscore.
Sorry,
Just,
because this
yeah.
keyboard is in
Remember,
English and the laptop
you are
is Spanish.
publishing your file, and other people may see and comment. Okay, press OK.
Okay.
Wait the bars finish, and open your browser somewhere. Which browser do you use? Chrome, Edge? Type please miposse.eng.br slash miposse.eng.br Brazil slash spider capsule small ox. Just press OK. You see a lot of projects that has been uploaded. George Orozco is one of them. Please, yes. What is the user code, and what is the password? Do you remember? Open Spider
No.
again. Open Spider again. User double O should be the name you have to use. View, workgroup, group work, user, director, DR001, okay, DR001, and the contraseña is the 99999. Everybody has the same. No, there are 5 nines instead of 4.
5 nines? No, just 4 nines.
Yes. The username should be user00. But anyway, it will work. Your data load is invalid. please go back to your spider and go to your activity guns and include on the line 1, include the activity, insert. Insert, yes. Erase the name activity 1 just to be blank. Yes, go to guns, upload again. The same name, okay?
Okay, again.
Yes. You will re-upload because nowadays there is a small problem with Project Spider's files without activities. We are going to solve it. Refresh. Go to George Orozco. Hide these guns to the right. The split, move the split to the right. Complete right, hide it. Instead of hide the guns, not the table. Instead of working with a split table, go to abrir em nova aba. It's in Portuguese. Huh? The work you have done now is being shown in web without spider license, without Excel, without anything. Open floor 1, yes, this way. You see everything you planned in your spider application. But imagine if you are not the manager, but if you are assistant, if you are supplier, or if you are a client, go to notes, line F1 block F, not to the notes but the cell. Yes, the V. Okay.
This one?
Yes. Now you write about block 1A, A1, about block A1. You disagree with something. Commenting.
I don't know, just disagree.
Go to another block and fill some information. Some other information.
For example, like wrong block or something.
Okay. And you are not using Spider. Someone is using your web view of your projects. Go to the engine. There is an engine on the upper left. Yes. Please click on, and there is a second icon trying to be a pencil. So close this pencil. Click. Now you are not editing anymore. Now you have finished the feedback you want to give. Minimize the screen, this browser. Minimize the browser. Go to, yes, now go to Guns and download the information people gave to you by internet. Just say okay. Just one click. Everything you have written there may appear as a feedback for you.
Oh.
Imagine if you have a lot of people working with you and want to submit this structure to them. Do you agree with what I said? Do you agree with the form? Do you agree with the start and finish? People will see in their browsers somewhere, and they will write in their browsers. And when you come back from your holiday, your weekend, you make an open Sunday morning, you just download the information, the feedback, everything will appear to you now in your column. You have not to agree, you may erase everything, you may delete everything, but you had some feedback. Did you understand that?
Oh, okay, for example, I can remove
Yes.
this. But, well, yes, this is very useful. For example, when
But it is
when
for
break is starting, you send it for comments, a baseline or
Yes.
something. All the stakeholders do their comments, and you get their feedback.
And they do not have to buy any license, use Excel, or to read PDF, or to send you an email. It's much more comfortable and much more quicker than the other way of giving you the feedback. But you have sent them. You have sent to them the structure level. But this is your kind of stakeholders that needs structure by level. Look for the risk structure. Show us the risk structure you have. You don't want them, instead of that, go to model 005. You want to show them anything else. Insert it's not part of your layout, but include a new field there. Show cost. Total cost or cost. Okay, maybe that's one. Yes, show. Close. Write something on this block. Not even cost. Okay, includes not the cost component, but includes a new user field, and give its name to your comments. Your comments. This user field won't work because the only field that works is notes. You cannot fill information in these user fields, but you can show something. So please write some comments about block F Daniel, or just Daniel. Make any comments for Daniel in low risk, saying that Daniel, or check if Daniel is available, or check if Daniel has the proper training course. That's a message you are sending to your risk team. Upload to web, but please the name of your subfolder should be a different one. George Rosso underscore risk team. Okay. Remember, when they get the address mposse.eng.br/spider, they will see a lot of cards. Make Alt tab to show your browser to us. Close this. Yes. Close this one. There are a lot of cards, but people that are allowed to open George Orozco maybe not be allowed to open George Orozco risk team, or even Ellen, or any other cards that is not their duty. Open George, yes. Open in nova aba, abrir em nova aba. It's easy to work. Go to the engine there on the yes. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth icon. Yes. Click yes. Everything is expanded automatically. Close the engine again. Not yes. Check resource. What? Check
Availability.
Resources. Availability. Okay. In notes, people will inform you. Okay. I can. Oh, I do not. I cannot. I will make some notes here. And the same file. George Orozco risk team. The user is, I don't know, dr001, and the password, contraseña. Okay. I'm opening here together your instance, at the same time your instance. And I will write something here just to poke you. Here. A minute. Medium notes. Where is notes? Okay, here. Well, I will send some message to you. It's not very well typed, but anyway, I think it's enough to test it. Okay, I have finished. I will cut my pencil. I will finish my addition modes, and now you can download everything people send to you. Where are the managers in your mode 001? Where is the manager? Okay, well, you must.
I just have the column.
Manager. You double click on manager, please. This is not the manager we are. Okay, right click and insert a column called manager. The field is called manager. No, show column. Show column. Look for manager. Yes, manager. M. Manager. Okay. Now do we have two managers? That's right.
Yeah.
Where is the manager? I don't think you have inserted. Try to do it again, please.
Let me hide this.
No. Okay, as you have done. Manager. Double click. Okay, show and close. Where is the manager? Because we are logging with the manager. Where is the manager? Go to risk mode. No. The risk mode, yes. Please show manager column. Strange, you have not applied any manager to any of these field, and we have to have a login. Please go to line 1 and double click on line 1. Instead, responsible. In this case, responsible on the right, top, bottom right. Responsible. Look for a manager called Jonathan. Okay. Okay. Now our project has Jonathan as a manager. Please look for JN1101 passwords. Ruiz. 909012. Yes, that's right. Okay. JN double one double 01. Go to, yes, upload it with a different name. No, guns. Upload to with a different name, like a Jonathan. Okay, upload, and then let's see if his password works. Jonathan, I'm clicking here. He enters with the old passwords, the same as yours, okay? Because the browser cache remembers the most powerful passwords, the most powerful login. Anyway, did you understand the idea?
Mm-hmm. But so when you put here, for example, you assign a manager for that view. I mean, for example, if I have the risk team or let's go by disciplines, the civil team, the electrical team, and the hydraulic team, I need to assign a manager for each WBS or each layout.
The idea, okay, I understood what we're going to ask. The idea is, if you collapse your structure into level 1. No, by the drop-down list, yes, 1. Open next level. If you decide to let just Jonathan know low risks, you will fix manager Jonathan for low risks. And Julie or any other else to medium. So they will see only the phase and lower phase that you applied the manager in your structure. Now Jonathan can see everything. If you apply Jonathan just to low risks, Jonathan will be able to see just low risks and the phases under low risks and the activities under low risk phases and subphases. Segregating, I think it segregates the domain of Jonathan to part of the structure. You may test it. There will be a lot of cards there. You may test it.
Applying okay, Jonathan, so for example, if I create a website like in yours, and I publish this view and assign for low risk Lucy and medium Jonathan and high level Daniel, they will see the file, but when open, they need to use their own password, and they will be able to see just the access that I give them in the schedule.
Yes. Open, okay. Please open line 3. Expand line 3. Expand line 4 and 5 and 6. So yes. Now Jonathan will be able just to see from line 3 through line 12. You won't be able to see medium and high risks. And every activity inside this phase will be shown to Jonathan, not to any other activity to him.
Okay.
That's the idea. You define the user, and the user will see just the structure you allow him. By the way, even if you have 12 columns, and you decide that Jonathan will see just 2 columns, he will see just 2 columns. Or the layout will be hidden from him in the columns he is not allowed to see. The idea of The idea of security is very clear in Spider. You may configure this security, confidence, this information according to your ideas.
Okay.
Now go to your unit 2. Today is Monday, 16 o'clock, 14 o'clock in Brazil. You have spent 16 hours without studying Unity 2. There is something I want to show you. Can you see my screen?
Please share. I
Let's
already.
share my screen here. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Just to make some terror for your life. This is timeline of our course. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have eight weeks.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yeah.
This is the amount of effort you have to spend during your weeks. This is Unit 1. This is the amount of effort for Unit 2. This is the amount of effort for Unit 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to start your work very early, Unit 2. And the day before start in Unit 3. Everything comes down in Unit 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why? Because make a WBS is very few work, just some lines, product phases, work package, including activities. Each work package has at least 3 or 4 activities. Each activity has resource, materials, labor, costs. So the amount of lines increase from 1 to Unit 3. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
Okay.
How do you
Well, I will
stop?
continue with the Unit 2.
Bye bye.
Thank you, Marcus. Bye
No,
bye.
no, no, no problem.